Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your EPFO employee account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your EPFO account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in EPFO employee login like this and hit on enter. And after that you will be on here, which is the search result of Google, and on the first result of Google you can see there is the EPFO for employees. Click over there, and on the page for employees, on the employees Provident Fund Organization of the India, you can see there is the services. But if you are not on the employees page, you can come here on this page to the services for employees. If you click over here on the web page of the employees Provident Fund Organization, you will be here on the for employees page as well. And over here you can see the services for employees by the EPF India, and you can see a way to log into your member passbook, member UAN, and OCS among fax eligibility, and you can know your claim status from over here. But in order to log into your EPFO account through your UAN, you can see the member UAN online services. Click over there and let this page load. And over here guys, you can see the panel to log into your employees Provident Fund Organization account from your UAN or for your employee account. And you can see this is the place to enter your UAN number, whatever may be, and after that enter your password. You registered on the EPFO at the time of creating your account. And guys, do make sure to enter this captcha correctly, because even if you make your UAN and your password right but the captcha is wrong, you'll not be able to log in again. And with that being said guys, if you have forgot your password, you can still reset or retrieve your EPFO account's password from the forgot password button over here. And there guys, with that being said, after you have entered the UAN number and Japan number and the captcha given over here, this captcha, click on sign in, and then you'll be able to log into your EPFO employee account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.